Hi Saru, hi Tiwari. I am from
Hello,
TQERP
sir.
Technology. My name is Brijesh Kumar and I am going to show you the TQERP, TQAPPS Application Process and Planning System. This ERP is especially designed for pharma companies and it's maintain all Game 5 compliances according to 21 CFR Part 11, Game 5 and it is very has all facilities to give compliances according to your audits, regulatory audits. So this is the home screen. Here we need to put user ID and password. There is the facility forget password. User can self-retrieve their passwords from on mail. Now press login and you will get that screen. Now this is the system administrator. Here we have options to create roles. Role can be created in this menu like ERP administrator, general user, production senior officer like this, purchase, supply chain, QA, engineering, production prepared by QC labs like this. And this is the role rights. In the role rights, in the role rights, you can provide the which menu and what option will work, like add, edit, view, and in which menu. So we can link these roles rights with a role in the system. Now, this is the user profile management. User profile management, we need to create users in the system like this. We need to put employee ID, username, user login ID, expiry days of the password, and email ID, department, and in which unit he will be able to log in. So we can decide here units also, branch of the plant. Any question here?
Yes, sir. I have a question. System, how to share password when we create the user in the system?
We put here mail ID in the system and system auto trigger a mail and then user will get that their password on mail. So you get your password on mail. This is very secure system and no need to share password manually. Now,
Okay,
when you
sir.
log in first time, system will ask the change the password.
Okay, sir.
Now this is the approval settings. You can set approval levels in the system like approved manufacturer. When you create a manufacturer, so you need to sign on how many levels, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can define here. If you need 3 electronic signs, you can select here 3 and select the persons who can e-sign electronic sign on the this manufacturer master.
Is it have audit trail?
Sorry.
Is it have audit trail?
Yes, it is head or trail. The system is the 21 CFR Part 11 compliance, and according to Game 5, we designed it according to Game 5. So we have a audit trail also. Here in audit trail, you can view all things which user what was done in the ERP, all activities catch in the system.
Okay, nice.
Like this, let me show you. This is the audit trail here. Date, module name, audit trail primary key, login, and which user from which PC system cover all things in the system. Let me take some of these reports. Now with the material product, you can create product master here. You need to e-sign on the electronic sign on the material product. Supplier you can create here. This is the bill of material. Here you need to create stages, production stages you can create here and link with the process.
I think network issue.
Yes. This is the bill of material batch manufacturing record. Item stage linking. Here we can link the stages in the system like this. If which stage is applicable to creation this product. Mixing, filling and sealing, final packing, standard quantity, filling and sealing quantity, and the final packing quantity. Stage type, in process, bulk, generic, finished product, and packing. Packaging here. Then we need to create bill of material in the system. Here we need to create bill of material, which material is required to create this product. Like this is the product name. This is the item names and label claim, quantity, base quantity, how much quantity required for this. Like this, we can create here BOM. And these are processes. You can create here electronic BMR in the system. In electronic BMR, you can create that boxes that can be put by the user when the system entering the BMR in production. Here we designed text field department wise. You need to use this field to create a BMR. After this, you can validate also in creation mode the BMR. What are you the user is creating here like this. If you are belong to production, you will be able to click your department entry. If you are not from production, you cannot enter data entry in the BMR. If I belong to QA, I can able to put here, and my signature and the date will come here automatically in the system. Like this, we can create electronic BMR also in the system. Now we can assign on the BMR. In same manner, we can also create here bill of material BPR, and this is the assign of on BMR BPR. If sometimes finished product brand name is different, but sometimes generic product is same, so we can also copy bill of material and process in one product code to another product code. If we need to any changes or any revised BMR BPR, we can take here revision bill of material through request, assign on revision request. This is the approved manufacturer, approved site module. Here you can approve the manufacturing sites for manufacturer and suppliers. There you need to select manufacturer, site address, country, city, site visit date, site approved from to date, and audit observation vendor approved. And you can also select suppliers here. Rinsen Pharma address, who can supply materials, which material is approved, we can buy from this.
In case of virtual,
uh,
in case of virtual,
Virtual, when we no need to site visit, and just we are on document base, we are approving any manufacturer according, then we can select virtual audit required. Virtual audit means we are not going there, we are just checking their documents and history of the vendor and manufacturer, and we or just attach here their documents, file attachment or like this. This is the
okay,
virtual audit. We have the provision also. Assigning on approval, manufacturer assign can be done. Approval manufacturer revise. When you suppose you approved up to 4829, then you need to revise revision the approved manufacturer documents or everything. This is the purchase order. You can create purchase order in the system. Purchase order cancel, purchase order close. You can do in the system. You can select vendor, payment term, delivery schedule, tax type, system will take automatically, and general conditions you can mention here. Now, code description, manufacturer code, your manufacturer ID, manufacturer name, quantity, rate, total, IGST, you can put here. Now, inventory management. In inventory management, when we receive any material, we need to create material receipt note in the system. In material receipt note, we need to we can make GRN against PO. Then invoice quantity, PO balance quantity, rates we can put in the system. Now we need to enter batch detail in the system. Like this, rate you can put here. grant total, other amount, total amount you need to put here. Then containers quantity, how many container you receive, and the what quantity in per container you can put here. Batch number and other things you need to put here. These are the material issue note, additional material issue, material return note, stock adjustment, opening balance, material transfer note, material resource planning you can also do in the system. You can calculate the required quantity in the system. When you are going to make new batches in the system, you can generate the requirement in the system through this menu. Like this, you are going to create this product in the production. You want to take this batch, just you select and you can check materials in the your plant. How many quantity you are going to create. So you can put here required batch size and then click on report view. Can get here how many materials you have, like this material name, unit of measurement, required quantity, PO quantity. If any PO generated in the system, it will show here approved quantity, under test quantity, and total available PO approved and under test, or how many PO you need to create, like this. If here is a more material shortage, it is coming in red. So you need to create PO for these quantities. Retest sample quantity when system you can generate here retest sample request. When any material is going to in retest, going to retest, then you can generate a request to system here. Here you can give batch request, batch issues. You can put here. These are the batch request. Like this, batch material details you can get from here. E-sign you can on batch issue. Material request, additional material request you can create. Material return request you can create. Here BMR data entry you can do in the system. This is the electronic BMR also in our ERP. You are putting here in this here. If this is text is not belong to you, it will not, you cannot put data in the system here. Like this, your department is not production, so you cannot click. Only I will click on my appropriate area. Like this. We can enter data in the system. We are also providing electronic BMR. With the now
This is also fetch date and time.
Sorry.
This is also fetch date and time when I click on my
Yes.
area.
It pick the server date and time. That time.
Server date.
Yeah, server date. System pick server date. When you fill any data, it automatically pick server and server date and your user ID from your ERP. Now stage completion. Here we can do stage completion. Like this, pending for analysis, pending for analysis. This is coming automatically from your LIMS system. Through LIMS system, when it will be released, then it will come automatically approved. There is a finished good transfer. You can make FGT in the system like this. How many FGT quantity yield things you can put here in finished good transfer, and you can assign on the finished good transfer, return. When you will do this, it will be automatically reflect in your sales module. Okay, thank you everyone. Any question, anything else?
How to set the e-sign level?
System have the e-sign facility everywhere like this. E-sign on material product. How?
No, how to set?
We set it in system admin approval setting.
Okay.
In approval setting, we set these things like this.
Different modules.
This is the username, and here you decided here 2 levels. Then it will come 2 electronic sign required on that creation of the product master, item master.
Okay. Is it 21 CFR Part 11 compliance system?
Yes, system is very totally 21 CFR Part 11 compliance. This capture all activities in audit trail, other things that every process, event need to e-sign. Without e-sign, it will be not reflect all masters or events activities to next step.
Okay. IP also fetch.
Sorry,
IP also fetch.
IP.
IP address also fetch in audit trail.
Yes. System always capture or IP address and your things. I show you that time audit trail, I think. This here you will see PC names, desktop. If it is coming from any IP address, desktop, this is the IP. If my IP is automatic IP is 1, then it is capturing 1.
Great.
Because I am working on the automatic IP. Auto IP. If your IP will be there, system will be catch here. System's name, user names, and audit trail system capture.
Okay, nice.
Okay, thank you. Anything else, you can mail me or you can call me if any query.
No, thank you. Everything is great, and all modules are uh, very high level and very extra modules. So this is very nice ERP. This is best ERP, I think.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Okay, sir. Thank you.